Hi there and welcome back to Wayne's Garage. We're going to do just a little quick video. The other day, this is part 2 of the unboxing of the plastic model. Now, I've gone along behind the scenes and I've actually painted it the red colour with the Pearl Clear and all that sort of stuff. So I just thought I'd flip this around, give you a quick squeeze of that, and yeah. So we're back after the intro. So we're back. Anyway, time to jump over, flip you around so you can have a squiz of the paint job. Yeah, so there's a bit to be done still. Got to go along, paint some of the interior components, paint the engine, another colour, a few other little bits and pieces on some of the components, but yeah, I'll give you a look. So here is the red. The light doesn't actually do it justice, but I have got a shine on it and a good lay down of the pearl as well as the metallic red, and that I've done the chassis the same colour. I had a look at the instructions, but I think this may be a part of the dash, if I remember correctly, so that will have to be later sprayed white. The engine will be a gold colour, and then a few of these will end up changing to a different colour as well. The undercarriage also done in red as well. There's the firewall, that will end up getting painted to match in with this as well. So this will be a slightly lighter red, and that for the undercarriage and the engine bay, and that, unless I can find a darker colour to paint down on that and maybe redo that so it matches in with the darkness of the red. And then the interior will have a goldy inlay on some of the interior components, and that, and on the seat area will be gold with white, and the top half too. So yeah, so that's it so far. Just thought I'd show you the progress as I go. So yeah, so there's the progress at the moment on the model. The next stage will be painting the interior components, probably redoing the chassis a darker colour, or I'll just do a couple more coats of the red just to try and darken it out a little bit more, or I'll just leave it like that, and that don't really see it much. So, but anyway, till next time, stay safe, please like and subscribe and share. Till next time, keep the rub side down. Cheerio.